To enable or disable Do Not Disturb on OnePlus 15R, you have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. You can open Settings, and then over here go to the Sound and Vibration settings, in order to then find Do Not Disturb in here. So you can turn it on or turn it off quite easily, just like that. Besides that, the DND mode can be found in the Control Center or Quick Settings as well, so you can tap on this button to turn it on or turn it off. So this can be a pretty decent shortcut. And if you tap on the name Do Not Disturb, then you can find additional settings for how long the DND mode should be activated. And last but not least, you can also use the plus key. You can set it up to make it work with the DND mode. And if we go to settings again, let's go back to the main page and then choose plus key settings. Then over here you can switch to the Do Not Disturb and you can set it up. So then you can press and hold the plus key in order to enable or disable the DND mode quite easily. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.